Hey there, this is Veena from Pancakes, the channel that's about baking and much more. A warm welcome to my channel. Today, let me show you how I make Goan Banana Filos, banana pancakes with wheat flour. I follow my mom's recipe. I remember how she would bring a platter piled high with filos to the table, and then we would all happily grab our share of the hot and delicious filos. Well, those were the days. Today's recipe is a very flexible one and an easy one. You can't go wrong with it. So without further ado, let's start making Goan Filos or banana fritters right now at Pancakes. In this bowl, I have half a cup of grated cane jaggery. Like I said earlier, this is a flexible recipe. You could use either palm jaggery, cane jaggery, or a mix of both. Into this, I'll mix in a quarter cup of grated fresh coconut. If you want sweeter filos, you could increase the jaggery content by around 2 tablespoons. Next, we'll mash our star ingredient, ripe bananas. These are 2 medium-sized ones, and we'll mash them to a smooth pulp. Let's now add this to the jaggery mix and give everything a good stir. Let's add in half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Instead of cardamom, you could add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract if you prefer a vanilla flavor. Now let's add in an egg. This is an optional ingredient and you could skip it if you want. The egg acts as a binding agent and adds flavor to the filos. But even without the egg, your filos will be very tasty. Next, we'll add in a quarter cup of milk, followed by 1 cup of whole wheat flour in 2 portions. Let's stir everything well so the batter is free from lumps. Right now, the batter is too thick and needs to be thinned a little. I'll add in approximately half a cup of water, but gradually, adding only just enough of it to give us a smooth and slightly loose batter. Now I'm using a mix of milk and water in this recipe, but you could use either just milk or just water. The choice is yours. I needed to add all of the water, and now our batter has the right consistency. To fry the filos, I'll heat a little pure ghee in my non-stick pan. In place of ghee, you could also use your regular cooking oil, provided it has a neutral flavor. Now let's pour in some of the batter and make small pancakes or filos. If you want every filos to be nice and round, then fry just one at a time in the center of the pan. There was enough room to make a third one. So in the next batch, I'll make 3 filos. We'll fry the pancakes till they just start browning along the edges and develop brown patches underneath. These are done. So I'll remove them to a plate lined with a paper towel. Let's fry the next batch. In all, I was able to make 9 small filos with the batter we prepared. Filos are tasty tea time snacks and so quick and easy to prepare. I hope those of you who had forgotten all about this delicious traditional Goan snack will now start making it again. And for those of you who were keen to find a good Filos recipe, well, now you have one. Time to taste the Filos. As expected, simply delicious. And as we sing in Konkani, Filos kaunchak zobor bore ruchi che. And that's exactly how these Filos are. Believe me, everyone, young and old, will be smacking their lips as they feast on these. Okay, a final reminder to please give me some feedback. Until the next time, take care.